Hey, what the heck is up, everybody? I know it has been a long time since I made a video. It's been like over 2 months. Well, I've been working on the house, and we got moved in like October 10th, and I just didn't want to mess with making a video. I just wanted to get the house done and get us in it before it got cold. So that's what I've been working on, and let me show you how far I've gotten. So I've pretty well done this mostly by myself. I had some help for a couple weeks, get the roof rafters set and the ridge beam up. They did a little bit more work in the inside of the house, and they also set all of our porch posts. That's just something I didn't really want to do, and I figured they're going to be here. They might as well stay busy, so they helped out a lot. It was a big help. So I've been working on this log siding, and I'm so glad to finally. I'll come over here and show you where I'm at on the log siding. I went with log siding because I really like the log cabin look, and since we went with a complete wraparound porch, it's all going to be safe except for that up there, and then same on the south side. But it's not going to really be too hard to keep up on that, I don't think, because I am a painter, so I know how to keep up on stuff like that. So this is what I've got left on log siding. I've only got probably 5 more feet from the top left to do, and I really hope I have enough boards left. I'm probably going to be a few short because I've got some crooked ones. You guys know how that goes. You always end up being short on something. But that's pretty much it on the outside. We're missing that much siding and the deck all the way around it, and I pretty well come up with like $4,000 in a deck floor. I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to cost in materials. It won't cost us anything in labor because, you know, we've pretty well been doing it ourselves. Alright, as soon as you come to the front door, you come right into our main living room, kitchen area. It's all open, 16 by 30. We wanted it open. Just makes the house feel bigger. We didn't build a great big house, so if you take some smaller rooms and make the ceilings high, cathedral ceilings, that really makes a room feel much bigger and doesn't make you feel closed in like smaller houses with 8-foot ceilings. I don't like 8-foot ceilings. So we've got this big open cathedral room here. I've got plenty of room there and over here for my deer and elk. And see these cedar railings I built here. I just went out one day, cut some cedar and spun them down, threw them together, and somehow made it work. I think it looks fantastic. But everything in here is wood. I mean, car siding walls, car siding ceiling, white oak flooring. That crap sucked. I got tired of putting that down, but it's done. We ride scooters in here like crazy, so scooters are marking it up really bad, but that's okay. We're gonna put carpet probably in the living room and down the hallway. I just did paint that yesterday. It wasn't really like a light gray, and I guess we got tired of looking at it, so I painted it a dark gray. So we're gonna try that for a while. We went with butcher block countertops, and we found these cabinets on Craigslist for $200 or $250, and they look like crappy cabinets, but they were good and intact, pretty good. So we tried it. So I just cleaned them up, gave them a good coat of paint, and they turned out really good. The only thing, they don't have easy close, but I think I can settle for a whole set of kitchen cabinets for $250. If you check out our sink, this is something that Kristen really wanted. Just a big, deep tub. We don't have a bathtub, so we have a 2- and 4-year-old, Bo and Noah, and if they need to take a bath, which Noah had a bad case of hives here a month ago, and we give them an oatmeal bath, and this worked really well. They love taking baths in this tub. It's big. Kind of sucks for dishes because when you want to, rinse off your dishes, you just have to set them out here for a little bit, and then once you get a pile of them, then you rinse them off and set them over on a towel and then dry them off until we get a dishwasher. I do have a slot for a dishwasher, but we don't have a dishwasher yet. We are missing some things, and I'll show you here in a minute what else we're missing. But we didn't have any room to put this back here in the middle, so it's offset here to the side, which still looks good. It works all right. As for appliances, I don't have this boxed in yet. We was going to try going with just a toaster oven, but we end up going with a microwave because the toaster oven, you can't just throw a bottle in there and warm up milk. So this stove here, we also got it with the cabinets. I think we paid 150 bucks for this. It was a stainless stove, and we sanded it down and painted it the same day we painted this. This is an old Kelvinator refrigerator. It's a really old fridge, but it opens like that. It's pretty neat. Works very well. Moving down the hallway, there ain't much to see over here besides under the steps. You've got a hot water heater, and that's pretty much it. The floor drain. We was going to put the furnace in there, but there's nowhere to go out with all the ductwork. So we took the only closet that we had downstairs besides the closets in the bedroom, and we threw the furnace in the closet. As you can see, this is a door, and those sheets are also doors for now. We don't have doors yet. That's one thing we're missing, but they're working for now. Doors are like $200 a pop, and then I still have to finish, put some lacquer on them and finish them. So it's winter time. Work is slow in the winter, so we're going to wait on doors till spring. This is one area we're not going to carpet, and I did actually refinish this floor here yesterday, so it all looks new. But this is our laundry room. This is the only other door we have that goes outside. We got the front door and the back door. We should have put a patio door in, but we didn't. So as soon as you come through this back door, you've got your laundry room, and guess what? No closet. No closet to put stuff in because we got a furnace in there. Moving on to the bathroom. I think you're really going to like this bathroom. This bathroom, we was going to do corrugated metal and just really make it look like an old building with corrugated metal in here, but I didn't want to mess with the metal, and I wanted something fast, and I didn't want to mess with it. So we went with car siding. So voila, and this is the same material from the flooring. All this is the same material from the flooring. The guy that did our tile shower and tile floor in here, he built this for us. I had like 800 square feet left over of that wood flooring, and I gave it to him. So he built this for us, and also built those shelves back there in the kitchen for Kristen, and saved us a lot of money. Instead of going out and buying a vanity, he just built one since we gave that to him. And she really wanted these deep tubs in here as well, so we went with a double deep tub sinks with these old spouty faucet things. Moving on to the shower. This is something I've always wanted, was a big tile shower. I didn't want to feel closed in. I wanted some room. Never had one. I thought, I can get one now, so go big. So take a look at the shower. It's not the prettiest, fanciest tile in the world, but it is what it is. It was cheap. It was only like a dollar a piece, and we got all these, we got the flooring tiles free from my brother and his wife. They built their house, and they had a bunch of it left over. Well, actually, they didn't even use it, and it was already paid for, so they gave it to us. We've got a big, it's like a 12 by 14 bedroom in here with dimmer switches, and the big room also has 2 sets of dimmer switches in there because it gets super bright. They're like 1,500 lumens each light, and there's 16 lights in the living room in there. Didn't really need that many, but I didn't know, heck. So anyway, one thing I don't have is a good place to put that safe. So it sits over there for now. I need to build another house. I'm ready to build another house. We don't have doors for our closets yet. But I think we're going to get some sliders to put in there, and wait till you see this room. Bubba wanted to paint his room lime green. Whoa. So, here it is, lime green. I'll do whatever color he wants, as long as it's not pink. Well, that pretty well finishes our little house tour. I know I've got a lot of loyal subscribers that have really been asking what the house looked like and how we've been coming along with the house. So we started raising walls like July 26th, and I think we moved in somewhere around October 10th. That's like 2.5 months. I busted my butt on this place, and I didn't even work till midnight on it. Usually I'd work till dark, and that was it. I never did work after dark.
So proud of you.
You so proud of me?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I want to spend the winter months in the camper.
Yeah, she didn't want to spend the winter months in the camper, and neither did I. That would have sucked very badly. So
I was afraid of propane.
yeah, she was afraid of the propane and all that stuff in the camper. So I just tried to get this done as quick as possible, and I also wanted to get done in time to bow hunt the rut, which sucked very badly this year. So that was kind of a letdown. After all the hard work put in, ended up bow season was terrible, rifle season was terrible. But oh well, we're in now. We've got snow coming tomorrow. This video will probably be posted after it snows, but is what it is. So I just want to let all you know that we're in. We're not out in the cold. We lived in here for like 3 weeks, and we just used that fireplace, just electric heater. We just put it in here and lived in here for, I don't know, 3 weeks without a furnace. So that's pretty much how we've been getting along. I got a good buddy, old Rick. Rick, we're all doing good here. Can't wait for it to warm up. I know you're gonna have some things for us to paint, and you'll probably call me after you watch this video. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you guys on the next video.